Hi everybody, welcome to this tutorial video of the Ford Digital's uh, voting and polling systems through the WhatsApp. So this is among the systems that we have to enhance your events. Okay, to for all kind of purpose. You can use it for votings of the, for example, the talent shows. You can have the vote, or you can have a polling. Okay, so for whatever questionnaires you want to throw it to your audience. All right. So the good news about these systems is it doesn't require any hardware at all. So you no need to provide this what we call voting machine at every single chairs, all right, which is very costly. There's no such thing like this. There's you can put this kind of hardwares and right. There's a lot of investment here. So what they need to do is they just simply WhatsApp. Everybody have the WhatsApps. All right. So how it works is all right. So these systems there is a page for you to show it to the audience. So what you need is laptops, all right, or computers that you connect to the projectors to show it to your audience, all right. Connect to the big TV or the projectors, right? And you just need to open up your browsers. Usually it's Chrome browsers, and you open up the link that we give it to you. So this is the live samples you can see here. This is the link, all right. Of course, you can put the Chrome browsers to full screen. You just click F11 and it will go to the full screen. All right. Now, so this is the page that you show it to the audience. Okay. And you will have another page, which we call them the admin page. All right. So we give you the link as well. So this is where you're going to manage all the settings. So you just log in, so you can preset all of these before the event start, all right? Or you can just use another laptops, another tablets or phones to log in to change whatever you like, all right? So you just log into this admin page, and you just under the WhatsApp, you just go for the these votings, all right? Now, so first of all, you can change how many options they want to give. In these examples, I'm going to ask the questions. WhatsApp 1 for yes, WhatsApp 2 for no, WhatsApp 3 for abstain. Or you can create a choice of WhatsApp 1 for example, you having a poll of the best smartphones. So WhatsApp 1 for Apple, WhatsApp 2 for Samsung, WhatsApp 3 for Oppo, WhatsApp 4 for Huawei. All right. So it's up to you. So these are the choices. All right. So you can change how many choices here. All right. You can put there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's up to you. This is the titles of the this polling, and this is the instruction. So this is the instruction here on the right side here. So you can put all the instruction for people to WhatsApp to, and this is the legends or the instructions. So one for what, two for one. All right. So of course the moderators or the MC will have to tell everybody to just WhatsApp in one or two or three. All right. And this is the font size and so on. You can change the font colors. This is a footnote, all right. And you can change as well the background image here, all right. The background image, all right. You can change the logo here. Make sure that your logo is in the transparent or PNG or GIF format, all right. If not, then if you use a JPEG, make sure that it's blend to the background, all right. And this is another logo. This is the logo. This is the pictures for this QR code, all right. So all of this we will prepare for you, all right. So because we will need to set up your WhatsApp numbers and so on. So for digital, we set up for you everything, all right. So you can change yourself as well, all right. So this is the WhatsApp numbers, all right. The fonts. This is the table font size and the all right. So that's all right. So now. So what you need to do is, all right, so after you're done with all the settings and everything, right, so you can always clear the voting database here. Once you click, it will clear everything. So it's empty. Okay. Now, then you can stop. So before the voting started, you can disable it first. All right. So you don't let people to vote earlier. Okay. Until the time is up. Okay. Now, so you just leave it in this stage. Once it's ready, you just leave it there. Now, so of course, you show this page to the audience. ask them to scan this QR code. So this QR code basically is your WhatsApp numbers. You can find this QR code also in this WhatsApp chat. So you go to the WhatsApp chat, you can see this is the QR code for this is what we call for people to WhatsApp to you easily. They just scan this QR code and they can WhatsApp to you. They don't have to save your contacts into their address book into their phone and then to WhatsApp to you. No, they just scan and then they can just WhatsApp to you. So that's why you show this QR code to the audience. Okay. Now, so the next things, if you want, all right, you can set the generic auto reply and custom auto reply. All right. So generic auto reply, that's mean once they WhatsApp to you, you will the system will automatically reply them with something, so like thank you for your votes and so on and so on. All right, so this one you can put as long as you want. All right, that's the good news about the WhatsApp. You can even attach an image like your company logo or the events brochures and so on. Right now, so this is the generic auto reply. So then we also have this custom auto reply. So that's mean if you have a voting like this, for example, 1 for yes, 2 for no, 3 for abstain. So you can create a code here. The condition, this is the specific auto reply. You can put the condition is 1. If they WhatsApp in 1, that means the incoming WhatsApp is 1. Then you just tell them something. If they WhatsApp in 2, then something else, and then 3 is something else. All right. So for examples here, if they WhatsApp in 1, the auto reply is thank you, you voted yes. If they WhatsApp in 2, thank you, you voted no. 3, thank you, you voted abstain. So this is a specific auto reply. All right. So whatever they WhatsApp in, and then if it match the code, they will get this auto reply. Or you can just set the generic auto reply. That means it's the same message for everybody, just to thanks them. All right. So that's all. So these are all the settings and everything. All right. So let's do a demo right now. All right. So so I'm going to open this page. As you can see here, this page is live as well as connected to the internet. So this is the page that you show it to the audience. You connect your laptops or PC to the projectors or the big TV. Okay, and that's all. You just wait for people to WhatsApp to you. So the MC or the moderators will tell people to start to vote. So when you going to start to accept the votes. The voting session is start. You can just go to the voting on the left menu again, and then you just click enable voting recording. So that's mean you let the system start to record down. So I'm going to WhatsApp in, for example, 1. As you can see here, all right, so WhatsApp will come into the system and I get the auto reply in my phone. And as you can see here, the graph will change by itself. This is a live graph. So it's a live statistics. Okay. Okay. I'm going to now WhatsApp 2. So my choice is 2 and I get the auto reply as well. And you can see here now that each of the choice have 1 votes. Okay, now I'm going to WhatsApp in 1 again. Now, as you can see here, now it becomes this one have 2 votes, this have 1 votes. That's simple. So the system will automatically calculate and then it will automatically generate the graph. All right. So I'm going to send in again. Let's say I'm going to vote for number 3 now. So which is abstain. And I'm going to vote for number 3 again. And I'm going to vote for number 3 again. And make it full screen. Now, as you can see here, so here got 3 votes, 1 vote, and 2 votes. So 3 is leading. So this is a live graph shown to the audience. So everybody can see who get the highest score, highest votes. All right. Now, so that's all. So you can always control the votings through from another laptops or a tablet or phones. You just need to log into this admin page. Okay. So once you're done, you can just disable. This means you close the votings, and that's all. All right. So whoever's try to vote in again, it will not be counted anymore. Okay, if you want to clear the voting and you go for the next questionnaires. It's up to you. So you can always control all of this here. You can change the questions again here, all right? The titles, all right? You can change, all right? You can also tick this one, these options, all right? This option that's mean there will be no duplicate votes. That's mean it based on the mobile numbers. So that's mean one person with the mobile numbers, they're able to vote only once. So their vote will be counted as one. No matter how many times they vote, the first votes will be counted. That's all. That's all. So they no. So if they try to vote more than once, all right, it will not be counted. Okay, so we're able to filter out. So the system able to check for these same numbers or duplicate numbers. Okay, now so that's all. So contact us for digitals to set up this account, and so we can set up in just minutes, and you can start to use anywhere as far as you have the internet connections, right? So this voting system is among several systems that we have for the events to enhance, to spice up your events. We have the event management system. This is for the registration, RSVP, and check-in. We have this live lucky draw systems. We have a video as well. Have a look, and we have these award systems. Okay, the voting, polling, which is this video. We have a Q&A through the WhatsApp as well. So you can ask people to WhatsApp their questionnaires, and then you push the question to the big screen. And we have the picture slideshow. You can ask people to WhatsApp their selfie. You can have a selfie contest, and then you push the big screen. It's very nice. People can see their pictures on the big screen, and it will be slideshow from time to time. All right, so you can have a contest or something, selfie contest and so on. All right, so we have internet Wi-Fi as well. If you need a stable and fast 5G internet connections, right? We provide the routers and for rentals, right? So do contact us for all of these events, and you can see each of the video, the tutorial for each of the services in our website. So thank you very much. I will see you again. Bye bye.